What's up, everyone? So after gym here at Fitness Time in Yasmeen in Riyadh, I'm going back to Muhammadiyah. So tag along with me on this drive. We'll see what happens in this rush hour traffic. So let us just start the video. So now I have to reverse. The gym was on the other side. I was parking on this side. Seems like I'm gonna face some traffic, but well, let us see. Okay, so yeah, now I turn right from here. I was actually routing the map. This area is Al Yasmeen in the north of Riyadh. Do you know about this place? Or even better, let me know in the comments if you live here. Wow, check out this evening sunset. Oh, this is just so mesmerizing. This route is taking me to the King Fahad Road, and it shows that the King Fahad Road is gonna be empty. So we will face it. No worries. If you live in Riyadh, you have to face this traffic, Adi. Wow. This is just mind-blowing. How huge is Riyadh? Let's see, I think we are gonna get stuck in traffic. Maybe actually there's a traffic light, so maybe we'll have to go on the second or the third turn. So if that's the case, I'll meet you on the King Fahad Road in a while. Seems like that's gonna be the case. Okay, so see you. Okay, just to let you know, people, the traffic is moving slowly. So if you see above us, we have this Riyadh metro, and you also see some buildings behind. One is the Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital. So, well, in night, this metro station, it looks so captivating. This traffic signal, although there's a lot of traffic below, but if you notice upwards, you will see people coming into the station for getting their trains and that sort of stuff. So it looks straight out of a movie. So we are moving. I hope this green light doesn't turn red soon enough. So okay, yeah, we have crossed. And now we are on the King Fahad Road, ready to face the traffic of King Fahad Road once again. Let's go. If you live in Riyadh, if you have been to Riyadh, this King Fahad Road, I think you cannot go by without passing this road. It cuts through the center of the city. Let's see the situation of the traffic on the King Fahad Road. People are also in a hurry, so we'd have to do mindful driving. And here we go. Now we will get stuck in this traffic. In future, all the big buildings in Riyadh, most of them you are gonna see on this road. Even now the big ones are on this King Fahad Road. Now it's gonna be more rushy over here, but if you see the other side of this King Fahad Road, that's actually moving. And sorry for that. Yeah, so that's actually moving, and it's moving briskly. Now you see, people, the scenes of the King Abdullah Financial District. Wow, this is so majestic. This looks straight out of a movie. These frames. Check that out. Now. Well, guys, I almost forgot I was with you guys because I am also feeling sleepy after a long day at work. But we are on track, inshallah. Now we have moved far on the King Fahad Road, and here you see some different scenes. The night is upon us almost. See the scenes, so dark and cloudy. Not complete night, but it's evening already here. Let us move into an exit. No, I think I might have to cross this. So yeah, this is the one from where we exit. Okay guys, thank you for just following along. I couldn't talk more today because I'm very tired, quite tired indeed. So we'll see each other in the next one. I hope you remain blessed, you remain happy, healthy, wise,